Hi all, this is a part of Learner Academy, and in this module we will talk about data science with interesting applications. But before we begin, let's see the history of data science. Before data science, we popularized the term data mining from the article called From Data Mining to Knowledge Discovery in Databases in 1996. Data mining is a process of discovering useful information from data. Actually, William S. Cleveland wanted to bring data mining to another level. He did that by combining computer science with data mining. Basically, he made statistics a lot more technical that expand the possibilities of data mining and produce a powerful force for innovation. He takes the advantage of computer power for statistics and called this combo data science. Data science is a multidisciplinary field of study that addresses the challenges in big data. Data science is a blend of various tools, algorithms, and machine learning principles that discovers hidden patterns from the raw data. If you are from non-technical background, you are likely to use R language, and if you are from technical background, then you can use Python and R. One of the critical elements of data science is algorithms, which are a process of set of rules to solve a certain problem. Some of the important data science algorithms include classification, regression, clustering, decision tree, and random forest. Machine learning techniques like supervised, unsupervised, and reinforcement learning. In addition to these, there are many algorithms that an organization develop to serve their needs. With that, let's talk a little bit about data science applications. I will start off with the most common internet search, followed by digital advertisement. Then I will be talking about speech recognition, then recommender systems, then healthcare, and finally gaming. Now we will see one by one. First one is internet search. When we speak of search, we think Google. But there are many other search engines like Google, which are Yahoo, Bing, Ask, etc. All these search engines, including Google, will make use of data science algorithms to deliver the best results for our searched query in a fraction of seconds. Next one is digital advertisement. The entire digital marketing spectrum, starting from the display of banners on various websites. Almost all of the advertisements were designed by the data science algorithms based on users' past behavior. Next one is speech recognition. Some of the best examples of speech recognition products are Google Voice, Siri, Cortana, etc. You can simply speak out and it can be converted into text. Next one is recommender systems. Let's talk about website recommendation. If today I searched for wireless headphones, I am probably going to get a bunch of that headphones to compare with. This recommender system is used by Amazon, Google, Twitter, and Netflix. The recommendations are based on previous searches of a user. Some of the healthcare applications include medical image analysis and drug development. Next, we have gaming application. Games are now designed using machine learning algorithms. In emotion gaming also, your opponent analyzes your previous moves and accordingly shapes of this game. With that, I conclude my session. Thank you and a great day ahead.